Hello and welcome again. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to mix two and more than two formulas in Excel. Like how to combine two and more than two formulas. Like in our previous sessions, we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, if I have to combine these things together, this all together, all operators, functions together, then how in Excel we have to perform? Remember, the same concept will be used in future for all your different formulas. When we learn if or lookup or something, then we might have to mix two or more than two formulas. So let's see how this will work together. So in this one, what we going to do? Example, I have some number as a number one, okay? Then number two, number three, number four, and let's say number five. I have some numbers and I need the total here. Okay. Now, number one, example number one will be, let's say 1200, or let's say, okay, 1012. We have 12,000 numbers. Number two will be, suppose 50,000. Okay. Number three will be 8. Number four will be again 50,000. Okay. And number five will be 4. Now, what we need to do with all these numbers? First of all, this one I want to perform addition in these two details, additions. Okay, addition we need to perform it. Okay, whatever result will come, in that one I want to multiply by this number. Okay, remember? Again, whatever result will come, I need to perform subtract this number. Okay, subtract these numbers as a result from that resultant. And then lastly, we have to divide that by the last number. It means I want to mix all, plus, minus, multiply, and divide. All the functions I need to work together. Okay, in Excel. Now, if you perform just normal, let's see, equal, I'm just doing normal calculations as per the requirements of my team or department, or my requirements. I want to add plus first one, plus second one. Then I said multiply. So I will use multiply this. Then it says subtract. So I will use subtraction sign this. Then I will use divide sign and divide. Once it is done, I will perform the enter. Means I want to add the two numbers, then multiply, then subtract, then divide, and just need to add these things. And I will get this result. Now let's verify it individually. Equal to first number plus second number. This one. The resultant will be multiplied by this number. The resultant will be subtracted by this number. And the resultant will be divided by this number. So finally, the result that we are having will be this one. Okay, not this one. Now, how this is going to work? Okay, for that one, there is a formula. The formula that we learned called BODMAS formula. BODMAS formula. Okay, it is bracket object. So you have seen this BODMAS formula in your work when we have performed, when we have done it in schooling times, basic mathematics, plus, minus, multiply, divide. So there are basic things that we need to use it. Okay, so what does it mean, BODMAS formula? B. Okay, we say B means bod. Here the B means, okay, here when we say B, we have B means the bracket. Okay, B means we have the bracket. Okay, we need to use bracket symbols here, B with that one. Okay, like that. This little formats. Okay, so bracket, any type of bracket you can say, or we also call it parenthesis. Okay, so any number within this bracket will be always done as per mathematics rule. Mathematics rule says something which is under the bracket will be done first, will be completed first. Then O. O means, O for BODMAS means order. Order. Like square root or something kind of, this kind of symbol when you use, then we say square root. Like example, if I have to make the 5 squares of 5, it will give me 25 for this one, sorry, equal to 5, this one, square of this one, it will give me 25 result. Okay, like that. So we can use this type of symbol, then it will be done second. Squares or anything we will do. D means divide. Divide. So we have a divide symbol. Sorry, we have bracket D for divide. We use divide symbols. Okay, D for divide. Then M means multiply. Okay, A for add, and S for subtract. So when we are going to perform this one, the normal mathematics will always use this as a ranking or this as a tool to perform. And it's always done in orders always. Remember, it is always done in order. 1, 2, 3, it is always rank. These are the rank you can say. We never change the rank. This is permanent. The ranks are permanent. Okay. Now if I'm going to perform the same result here, C equal first number by this rule. Now I'm going to perform this one by this rule. First number plus second number. But I'm yet to complete the remaining portion of the formula. So I need to separate this one with a bracket, with a parenthesis. Now when it comes inside a bracket, it will be treated as a 1 unit. It won't be 2. Okay. Then it is 1. Now 1 multiplied by again this number. But I have yet to complete my formulas, yet to complete lots of functions. So I will use one more bracket, and as you have closing the bracket, there must be some entry bracket. Okay. So now again it becomes a 1 unit. This one I said subtracted by this number. Still one more function is there. So one more bracket and one more bracket in the start. And the last one is about the division. Okay, so we have made 1 unit, then multiplied by this one, then this become 1 unit, then this subtracted by this one, then this become 1 unit, and then last divided by this one. So you will get the final result values here. Okay, see, these two are now same. So what we decided that, calculated, this will be using BODMAS formula. Even you can see this, if you are using a normal calculator, like a manual calculator that we use in our office, if you use manual calculator, 90% time, it will give you this result in manual calculator. And if you are going to perform the same calculation in your mobile phone, then it will perform you and provide you this result, because our smartphones uses always BODMAS rule. Smartphone always uses our BODMAS rule, right? And the same concept of bracket and everything will be used to combine 2 and more than 2 formulas in Excel. In any case, whether it's if or lookup or any kind of formulas we want to use, this bracket will be used, and plus minus in order it has to be used in mathematics. So I hope you understand the concept of BODMAS and how to use the BODMAS concept in Excel by using these functions. Right? So see you again. Till then, thank you.